Hey, welcome back to DIY Willie. Today we've got the Samurai here in the driveway, and well, it needs a new top. You can't see out that top at all. So and this was a tinted top. The sides are removable, but I bought a new one and I didn't buy the same kind. I didn't buy the removable sides and the tinted windows. I just bought clear windows, solid top. Should be easier to work with, maintain. It's a little bit cheaper, so when it goes bad like this one, I can just replace it again. It was cool having the tinted windows, but I'm old, man. I can't see, and it's hard to see through the dark windows, especially after they start to deteriorate like this. Or at least the clear ones, I'll be able to see a little longer. So that's the top, and you can see the Velcro is already starting to wear off, not working anymore, especially on the sides. This one's got a big old tear in it from the vacuum that was being hauled around in it. So yeah, it's definitely time to replace it. So let's take a look at what I bought. So I picked up a new top. Now it ships from Best Top, but the brand name is Pavementends. You can't really see it under there, but it's there. So I gotta believe it's made by Best Top, even though it's Pavementends right there. By Best Top. There you go. Black with clear windows. So yeah, let's get this box open and we'll check it out. All right, let's check this out. Careful the staples, man. Those things will get you. Now it's rolled up nice and neat. No other accessories or instructions. I think we're gonna leave it out on the hood for a little bit for it to get warm and soften up. But it looks good. I've had these tops before. They're nice, really nice. Well, I was wrong. Once I unwrapped it on the front of the hood, it gave me some instructions, and of course the straps in the back. So we'll get that prepared. Let's take a look at the top on the front. I just kind of laid it out here so that the sun will get on it and take some of the wrinkles out, and just warm it up, get the plastic nice and pliable. That way we can pull it and stretch it, especially around these clips. They get really hard to put in. So yeah, we'll just let this warm up a little bit and we'll get it on there. Let's take a look at this old one on the inside and get it off. This is what I mean by the inside, man. You cannot see out this thing for nothing. And me not being the best with my vision anyway, man, it's kind of dangerous when you're driving on the freeway. That it's so bad. And you might say, well, Willie, you got mirrors. Yeah, I got one that looks out the back. Well, you're not going to see nothing. And I got two that are on each door right there. And you can see a little bit with those, and those are what I use. But I would much rather be able to see all the way around me. So to have this new top, it's going to really be helpful to me, and be able to see, you know. That way maybe avoid potential accidents, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get this top off, and well, we'll get ready for the new one to go on. And all the cobwebs. Unzip it this way, pull the snaps. Things are tight. Can't get that one undone. Too many cobwebs in there. Pretty ugly. Let's get this side done. Now they just have a groove right here that just kind of slides up. This top's been on here a while. It's pretty stuck. That little channel right there keeps it from flapping in the wind. Okay, now I get a good look inside. Got some snaps here. I'm in for some Velcro right here. Do that. Now I modified these and put these quick release in here. I like it much better than these little tabs they give you. All right, let's get it and see if we can put it on now. It's kind of warm. Are you kidding me? That's a two-man operation. I only got one. What's floating away over here? There, once we get kind of put over the top, we can pull it back here. Now, you gotta make sure you get the front end right now. It's got a little channel up here. As you can see, it's got a little channel. And it's got a little piece that hooks in that channel right here. Gotta make sure you get it in that channel before you pull it all the way back over the backside. You also got a snap up here you got to deal with. It would be a lot easier with a second set of hands. Still got to get the front back in its spot. See that? It's not quite there. But I noticed that these snaps are backwards. Look at that. Usually you fold it over like that, but my snaps are backwards. Interesting. I don't know what we can do right there. We'll figure it out. It's like that on all three of them. Maybe this is supposed to, I don't know. Maybe I will open the instructions and see what it says. But there's something definitely different about it right there. Yeah, we got to check that out. Next, we got to put these pieces in. Now we can just run them up. Get them started. All right, all we did is get it started in the channel right here, and then pull it all the way down to the bottom, where this snap will go in right here on there. So you got a little bit more to pull, and we'll get it locked in. Gotta pull it tight up there on the top. Now to get this row of snaps, make sure you pull it all the way down. You can pull the bar. Make sure the bar is seated right. And this is where it really comes in handy to have the sun on it, because that'll make it more pliable. Just kind of grab it, take a firm grip, and push the first. You got the first one, you got the second one. Kind of pull it, push it towards it, push it. The last one will be the hardest one, because you don't have as much material to push with. Come on now. Like I said, the last one will be the hardest one. Ah, we got it. This one and that one. Good deal. All right, getting close. Now we can do the windows. I just like to pull them tight. Like that. Kind of get up there. This one does not want to stick. Like that. Looks like we're gonna have a leak right there. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Boy, that looks a lot better, huh? Be able to see. Won't be running into people. Looks a lot better. A little dirty. That's on the inside. Yeah, kind of chalky. Pavement ends. Right there. Right there. Pavement ends. Nice. I'll get the back one on right now. And we're going to talk about these straps here for a minute. I'll show you on this side. It's a little easier. Right here. These come up. And I'm just going to use the ones I have installed already. I'm not going to use the ones that came with the new top, because there's nothing wrong with these. And mine have metal on the bottom instead of plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and use these straps. But I have this pin in here. And I'll put the pin back in, but I'll show you right now how they're supposed to work. You pull the Velcro out like that. And then you slip it through the hole on this thing. Slip it through the hole and then pull it back, and that'll keep the top nice and taut, right, like that, nice and tight. And that's the way we'll do it. And we might run it like this for a while, but eventually these little plastic pieces are going to deteriorate and break, and that's where these things come in, because they hook through here and then through there. And then they're just so much better. So much better. But I'll leave them off for right now. We'll use the ones that came with the pavement in, I guess. I'll use these. We'll use them like that. Now let's get this top kind of back in. We'll do this side the same. Right there. Let me get this side done. We'll get back to looking at the top. Well, there we go. The new top is on. There's some areas I see we're gonna get some leaks in the rain. One of them is right here, but it looks pretty good. Probably right here too. Right here. But it looks pretty good. I like it. It's gonna be nice to be able to see all the windows. Yeah, zips up nice. Zipper worked good. It's gonna flatten up and shrink a little bit with the sun. Should look better after a couple of days in the sun. This side needs to be a little bit tighter up here, and then we'll close this door. But it looks really good. I like it. I like being able to see now with my rearview mirror out the back. Nice. Nice, nice. We'll see how long it lasts too. So I know it's nothing special, and not many people have these Samurais anymore. But I really needed this top, and I wanted to share putting it on. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and well, I'll see you next time. Hopefully on the mini bikes. Need to start that Raptor engine. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.